goodness. Yay! Alright, so it's Friday. It's 9:30. We need to go grocery shopping. I have a busy day ahead of me. So I need to do grocery shopping. I need to come back. Hi! Get everything ready. Like, get all the groceries ready. Put them away. Wash them. Clean them. All of that stuff. And then Michael needs to have lunch, take his nap. And while he's taking his nap, my sister's going to come over and watch him the rest of the time. And I'm going to leave because I'm going to go get my hair done. I'm so excited to get my hair done. I've been waiting for such a long time, and look at this. It was purple. Now it's like green, blonde, a little bit of purple. It's like horrible right now. So I'm going to go get my hair done today, and Michael will get home and stay with him until, obviously, you know, dad duties until I get home, I guess. And yeah, Michael's going to be in charge of dinner today, so when I come home, I'll have dinner. And yeah, my appointment's at 2, and she said it's going to take about 5 hours. So I'm probably not going to be home until about like 7:30 or something. I hate spending that much time away from them because it's a lot of time for me, and that is part of the, I guess, hesitation of me not getting my hair done is all the time that it takes. Oh my god, I'm getting tired of holding the camera up. It just takes a really long time, and I was like, well, maybe I don't go, but it's just, I need to go because I want to, and I've been excited about it since I made the appointment like a week and a half ago, and I'm just really excited. But it's just that mom guilt, you know, that mom and I guess wife guilt too. I feel bad leaving them, both of them, and not spending that time with them when I don't need to do my hair. It's a want. And I feel bad that I'm making Michael cook dinner, but I mean, he's a grown man. He can make pasta, spaghetti, you know. Yeah, it's just that mom brain. It just doesn't go away. And yeah, even though I feel really guilty about doing it, I'm gonna go and get my hair done because I'm so excited. I've been waiting for the longest time. And yeah, right now it's 9:30. We're just getting ready to go to the grocery store, and my hair is like a mess right now because since I haven't washed my hair, it was getting a little greasy, and I didn't want her to see my hair like that. So I was like, I'm just gonna put some dry shampoo on it and kind of hide the greasiness away. So yeah, that's what I did. So hopefully it works. I still need to brush my hair though. So yeah, and so like I said, we're going to the grocery store.
Go out there anyway. Go to the playground, go to the hiking park, like go You're just like doing the same thing all day, every day.
Good job. So he's cleaning the high chair like he sees me clean it, and he can't open the trash can by himself, so he left it all right here and made a complete mess. But that's all right. He was trying. Thank you, baby. That was very helpful. Oh, you okay? You're okay? All right. Thank you for cleaning that for me. I appreciate it. You're such a big helper. Michael, look at Mama. And he does that because he's putting it away. High five. Woo! Michael. I love you. Coco. We're not watching Coco right now. We'll watch it later when Daddy gets home, okay? Is that okay? Great, there's oatmeal all over me now. So one of the stores I grocery shop at is the 99 cents only store. They have a ton of stuff for Halloween and Thanksgiving and stuff. Super cute stuff. Look at Michael. Trying to remove his cover. Anyways, we're doing a Coco theme for his birthday. It's in November, and look at all the cute stuff they have for that. Super cute and super cheap. Oh, these are cute. These are like lanterns. I love that. And these are $3.99, and they're like metal, so they're not like plastic, and there's a candle inside. Look how cute these are, and these are super cute too. Look at this one and this one. These are $3.99 as well. Hello, mister. Oh yeah, this is totally like Coco theme right here. Oh, these are so cute. And they have the skulls down here and the flowers for the hair. Super cute. I'm definitely coming here to buy his birthday supply. that your favorite? It's not the movie, baby. It's just a song. Dance! I want to see you dance. Let me see you dance. Play the guitar. Let me see you play the guitar. Whoa, oh, oh.
That you make me, it is just a go crazy in the sense that you're not making
the liberties you're taking leaves my
the business shaking.
You are just
So it's almost 2 o'clock. I just got to the salon. It is so hot outside, so I'm just gonna wait until it gets a little closer in time to walk in. But it's back here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Probably not. It's called Phoenix Salon Suites. So I'm guessing there's a bunch of different suites inside, and one of them belongs to her. She does a really good job. I'll link her Instagram down below so you guys can go and check her out. She does a really good job. Like, I don't know. I've come to her for maybe like 3 or 4 years almost, I think. And I love her. I love her style. I like the way she does everything. Her personality, everything. I just loved it all. So I always keep coming back to her. Even if it takes me, you know, 6 months to come back, I keep coming back to her. Hey guys, so I am at the salon now, and this is Brenda right here.
Hi everyone.
Hi. So she is working on my hair right now. Hopefully, you know, it's gonna come out looking good. It doesn't look that great right now, but it's gonna look better. But yeah, this is Brenda.
We're doing a full-on color correction. We are lifting her base right now, and then while that's processing, we are going with a lightener on her ends and just try to remove all of this old color that she has going on so we can put a fresh new red on top.
Final product.
7 hours later, this is the end result. The bright red on the bottom. It lifted perfectly exactly how we wanted it. There is no bands either, and we blended it super nicely by applying the lifter at the same exact time while the base color was processing.
Yeah, so she did amazing work. It looks so good. Thank you, Brenda.
You're welcome.
I'll leave all her Instagram information down below so you guys can go ahead and follow her. She does amazing work, and not just funky colors like this. She does everything, right?
Yes, balayage, ombre, everything.
Yep. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It looks good.
Yeah?
It looks really good. You cut it?
Yeah, I told you I was gonna cut it. Alright guys, so I'm home now, and I'm so glad to have done my hair because I've been waiting for a long time to do my hair. And I did red because I don't know if many of you guys know, but like when I had first started my YouTube channel, I had red hair. And then I figured that because I was a mom, I needed to go more, you know, mom style. So I did the brown, and then I did purple, and the purple, Michael says it's a dumb thought. And I just like always just wanted to go back to my red, and Michael wanted me to go back, and yeah, I'm just so happy to go back to it. And yeah, I'm gonna end my vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and link Brenda's Instagram, like I said, down below, and then my Instagram too if you guys want to go ahead and follow me. And I'm gonna have some dinner that Michael made, And yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. Good night, guys. Bye.